Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a chart with secondary axis. So for that we will create a chart with numbers of profit and sales for three salesmen X, Y and Z. So here is the sales numbers. So here we will have the profit made by each salesman. So clearly you can see that the sales number and profit numbers are highly different. But since we need to compare them, we will have to create a chart. To create a chart, we will go to the insert menu and from there we will select the type of chart we want. So here I am selecting the bar chart. So as you can see, we have the bar chart ready. Now the problem in this chart is that this bar is too high and this one is too low. So the trend is not visible clearly in this chart. Now to shift the data onto secondary axis, we will need to select the data series of profit. And right click, format data series and select the secondary axis. Now since the profit has now shifted to secondary axis, both are overlapping now. So one way is to convert the profit series bar into line chart. So here you can see profit as well as sales. But in case you want both to be in bar format, we have to follow a bit lengthy process. Since you can see that when we create bar chart and move the bar chart to secondary axis, both overlap each other. So for this, here we will have to add two dummy series for padding. Now we will have to add these series to our chart. So we have added both series. Now the profit series will be the lowest one and the padding will come in between. Both padding series will come in between the sales and profit series. Okay, now the next step. We will select the pad series. Working, we will add a number to this series. Now for ease of working, we will add a number to this series. This is just a number. I have taken a random number 500 or I'd rather take 5,000. Now, select the first padding series, format data series. It's in primary access, it's okay. Select the second one, it's also in primary access, but we need it in secondary access. Now it's okay. Next step is to make them all zeros. So now our chart is ready with one of the series in primary and another series in secondary access. For ease of understanding, you can just delete the padding from legends and the chart is ready now. You can see there is no overlap. For ease of understanding, you can just make the series compact and turn the text color into white. Remember, you cannot hide these series because as soon as you hide them, the bars will again start overlapping. So this is how you can create the bar chart with one of the series in secondary access and without an overlap.